Silhouette Cameo Blade Tip to achieve a clean cut. Method 1. Clean the blade. Step 1. Grab your Silhouette Cameo Blade and unscrew the cap on the top. Step 2. Grab a piece of sellotape and dab it onto the blade to remove dirt and debris. Step 3. Dab it a few more times to remove all the debris. Step 4. Now add a few drops of rubbing alcohol onto tissue paper. Step 5. Clean the blade with rubbing alcohol to remove oil and adhesive from the blade. Step 6. Grab the cap you removed earlier and wipe it off to remove any residue. Step 7. Once done, screw the cap back into the blade. Method 2. Make sure that the blade is seated properly. Step 1. Pull out the tab in the blade carriage. Step 2. Insert the blade and make sure that it's seated properly. Step 3. Make sure it's pushed all the way down, then push the tab to lock it in place. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.